Man camping outdoors. He started by building a frame out of wood, then placed the log on top. Then secure with nails. Trim the edges with a saw and axe. Soon he had built 3 walls. Then he dug a groove in the middle. Put another deep trunk on it. This gives the main beam of the roof. Then he found a few more slender branches. Insert them into the soil and connect them with the main beam. In this way, the main structure of the house is completed. The next step is to refine the details. Fill the gaps with soil and cover them with moss. This can play a role in thermal insulation. In order to prevent rainwater from pouring in, an eaves was also made. Finally, install the doors and windows. I saw him install the window frame in place first, then cover it with a layer of boards, and carefully sand it smooth with a tool. Once you're done, you can start making the gate. It is also split with templates, and reserve the position of the handle. Now you only need to install the door axle. I have to say that this body is really powerful. If you also like this lifestyle, then hurry up and like and collect it. I will definitely experience it once if I have the opportunity in the future.